Chuumuk Housing Complex by ArquiPartners in Tulum, Mexico. Chuumuk is a three-house complex with semicircular shape volumes in Tulum that blends harmoniously with the natural environment, combining modern and innovative elements. Each house is designed with a curved structure that opens to the surrounding landscape, maximizing views and creating a sense of fluidity between the interior and exterior. The facade finish is made of a plaster called Chuumuk that integrates perfectly with the vegetation. The large windows and sliding glass doors allow the entry of natural light and a direct connection with the outside. Inside, the design is modern and minimalist, with high-quality finishes and carefully selected details. The spaces are bright and airy, with high ceilings that create a feeling of spaciousness and freedom. The most important space of the house is the double height, which integrates a circular sunken room within a circular volume of the house, with a double height window that integrates with the vegetation and is directly connected to the pool. The complex of houses is complemented by tropical gardens designed to promote local biodiversity and create a calm and relaxing environment.